I'm a member of the Young Lawyers Association and a member of the Action Committee Against State Repression. We have called on the Surgeon Press to talk about a bill which is titled the Bureau of Rehabilitation Bill, which is going to be debated in Parliament in the next coming weeks. The Bureau of Rehabilitation Bill is a law which is proposed by the Cabinet of Ministers, which a law like this has never been seen before in a country which respects democracy and human rights of people. Under the Bureau of Rehabilitation Bill, thousands of people, drug-dependent persons, ex-combatants, members of violent and extremist groups, as well as other groups. We don't know what these other groups are, but the Act says other groups can be taken into these centers or camps, so to speak. And the people who have been taken in, we don't need a court order. The bill proposes and says that there needs to be no court order to take these people into these rehabilitation centers. And these people can be legally subjected to torture, ill treatment, willfully neglected by people in authority. They can be force-fed with narcotics and dangerous drugs and psychotropic substances. And if they try to self-defend themselves against this conduct, we can't say illegal because under this act, all of this is legal. So if they try to self-defend themselves against this conduct of the authorities, that too is made an offense under this act. And even if someone volunteers to go into this rehabilitation bureau, he has no means of coming out because there is no end to treatment which has been prescribed in this bill. So if a person tries to leave the center, it is termed as escape, and the police and the armed forces can drag you back into the center and can use any means, including minimum force, to compel obedience to the inmates. Further, if the president wants, he can also call the armed forces to take over all functions of the center. In addition, you can also be forced to work, to labor, which is even an offense under the Penal Code of Sri Lanka. So what this bill actually attempts to do is, all this while, we are all aware of the Batalanta torture camps which used to exist under the oversee of what we know as under the oversee of Mr. Ranil Wickremesinghe. So whatever which has been happening so far as illegal, this bill is trying to make it legal. Such a bill like this should never exist in a democratic society. So I hope, as citizens, as people who love democracy, who love human rights, who want to live in a free society, I hope you will pressure members of parliament who will be debating this bill in the weeks to come, and pressure them to vote against this bill and to make sure that this bill never becomes law in a democratic and free society like Sri Lanka. Thank you.